Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to our Phonic Academy online class. So today we learn about the letter U. The letter U is a letter, a last letter. So first of all, we learn the vocabulary word of U. What's come of word? What's vocabulary come from letter U? So we have to first umbrella, umbrella. ओके स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको बताते चलूं कि यू की टू साउंड्स हैं यू बेसिकली प्रोड्यूस टू साउंड्स यू एंड आ यू एंड आ सो umbrella umbrella is produce sound umbrella you are umbrella okay the second one is umpire, umpire. You are umpire. You are umpire. Umpire the person, the people that जो है डिसाइड करता है क्रिकेट के अकॉर्डिंग You are uncle. You are uncle. Uncle, the person who's relative, जो हमारे just like चाचू, मामू, ठीक है, फूफा, खालू, ये सारे हमारे uncles होते हैं, ठीक है. So word uncle is come from also you. Unicorn, yes, unicorn like a small and tiny horse. That's like a pony also. छोटा सा जो pony घोड़ा होता है उस तरह से होता है and it is a very famous animal and it's very famous in child. बच्चों में बहुत ज़्यादा famous है unicorn. Unicorn. Uniform. Okay, student, do you not have that the uniform जो हम पहनते हैं? We have different types of uniform in our school. Sport uniform and school uniform. पहनते हैं ना हम uniform. So what uniform is also come from you. Up, up. This is a sign of up. It's mean ऊपर की तरफ. Up. Okay. It's also come for you. You are up. Okay, dear students. Now we come learn two sounds of letter U. The phonic sound of letter U. U. Umbrella. 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 You. Okay, dear students, hope so you will understand the sound and plus vocabulary word of you. Now we have come to our whiteboard. So here is our whiteboard from your booklet. Question one is learn the vocabulary word of letter U. आपकी बुक में भी यही क्वेश्चन होगा, ठीक है? तो you have lots of vocabulary words आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा होगी. मैंने just तीन बनाई आपके पास होगी. You are umbrella. You unicorn. You are up. And your book और आपके बुक में है you are uncle. You uniform and you are umpire. Okay. Now question two is match the beginning letter with the picture. अब आपके पास U पिक्चर देखनी है, कौन से लेटर का बिगिनिंग साउंड यू होगा, हमें उसके साथ मैच करना है। अप, यू आर अप, यस, सो वी मैच देम। cow, cow, no, we do not match them because it's not come from you. Umbrella, umbrella, you are umbrella, so yes, we match them like that. Okay, now we come to our next page. Look at the picture and circle the letter that makes the beginning sound. आपने पिक्चर को देखना है, ठीक है, और आपके पास 3 लेटर्स होंगे हर पिक्चर में। आपने जो पिक्चर साउंड प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है वोकैबुलरी, तो हमें उस लेटर को हमें सर्कल करना है। वी हैव P O U, द पिक्चर इज अंकल, 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 P is pa, not you, we do not circle. O is a, no, we do not. U is up, yes, uncle, up, so we circle it. Now second picture we have uniform, U. F is produced, no, we do not. H is sound, no. U is produced also, U, uniform, so we circle it. Okay student, now the last question in your booklet is find and circle the letter U. So you have to find in this picture U and circle. Okay, so we have right booklet here, yes, the first one is U. R, no. L, no. I, no. This one is U. C, no. No. U. Yes. U. H, no. D, no. O, no. M, no. F, no. R, no. U. Yes. Hope so you have to understand this concept and letter about you. And now we have to come our booklet images. Now like that आपके बुक में इसी तरह से होगा और आपने इसको करना है। Number 1 question is learn the vocabulary word of letter U. So you are umbrella, जैसे हमने पढ़ा, you are unicorn, you are up, you are uncle, you are uniform, you are umpire. Now we have to come match the beginning letter with the picture. U, tiger, you, no. Cow, it's not come from you, so we cannot. Tractor, no. Empire, you are empire, yes, we match it. You are umbrella, yes, we match them. You are up, yes, we match it. Cattle, no. Unicorn, yes, you are unicorn, so we match it. Hope so you understand that. Now we come our next page. Okay, this one. Look at the picture and circle the letter that match the beginning sound. Okay, umpire, umpire, U, circle it. Uncle, uncle, up, U. Umbrella, you are umbrella, circle it. Unicorn, it's come for M, no, it's come for G, no, it's come for U, yes, U. Uniform, it's come from F, no, it's come from H, no, it's come for U, yes. Up, it's come for F, no, it's come for D, no, it's come for U, yes. Okay students, आपने भी इसी तरह से अपनी क्लास वर्क और बुकलेट में करना है। Now in this picture find and circle the letter U. Okay, तो हमें ये वाला करना है। Now first we find and then we circle. Okay, now we find U, yes, ऊपर सबसे है। R, no. L, no. R, no. U. and this one is U is here. T के बिल्कुल नीचे और ये ऊपर है U and M F R B U. Yes, we said that. Hope so, student, you have learned very well the letter about letter U. So thank you very much. We will meet in our next online class.